Mitharay promise batu Livingstone. Kila ban kelat ya kan ni?
Kata terkasih ngatikan. Saya am beliau. Bagi beliau ndola temian kilong biang kelung. Kini baru armut laki samla biang.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka kot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, kabala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka by admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Siyan nga sarkar kan sa shnano iki rules nakabantaban penrekam ya Meghalaya Official Language Ordinance arajar pun riau kabala itu ya kakatian khasi ba ya kakatian garu ringkat ba kakatian English kum kikatian sarkar. Usembut Menteri Rangba kajala uba kami ya katanat Parliamentary Affair uba Prestun Tensong hakajingkran bagila patai kubor uloong bak sarkar jala kala sim khia bahai kan ni kajing dawa bat kan ni senjam kan long ru kajing mentoy ya baro kijai pen riau khasi jain dia bat garu.
Let me reply on behalf of the government. Let me just tell you one thing. I think MDA government, right from 1 and now 2, we have taken a very, very important and historic decision in our journey, saving the people. And one of them recently, we have taken a very, very good decision, meeting the aspiration of the entire state, be it Garu, be it Hasim Jaitia. Ultimately, when we took this decision, we found that yes, why associate official? Why not official instead of official? So ultimately we decided that it should be official. Meghalaya Languages Ordinance. And I'm so happy to tell you that yesterday the Honorable Governor has approved it, and the notification or the gadget has been published in the gadget of Meghalaya, and it has come into force. And now very soon we are going to prepare the rules of this very ordinance. Then ultimately we will also start using these two state official languages. Yeah, for regularization. That is for regularization. It will come back in the month of, I think in the month of September, or like that, August, September, towards the end of August, I think. It is due for the autumn session. So during that time, we will regularize it in the assembly.
Sebab competition jungi kam judai ka touch lane kam kodyat madiat, they are never our competition. Competition jungi kedai mengi para guest house, para instay, para homestay. Kaya mengisak sadani ti email pa jung apa di amba yan penkala no syaka guest house lane ka homestay kan. Por bangi penkala ngi ai kerteng ka orange homestay. Pingi sedang sya no ka 4 rooms tambah nak forums ni sotho ba mah nomor ni dang kam show ki rooms ke ni lala ban expand nak daw ka floor jam ki torres ila sedang board ading in sala ban expand jo showroom at current ni dan khasan do habawan kun kini kita che kum mga ngonong mo mga puli for Institute of Hotel Management kun kini ki big companies ba wan shini kalong big opportunities hingi ki youth bangin yo company ha jaka bangin like shabar bangin tap placement shabar ma ha bangin la dak puli tinggi jaka bangin tap shabar ngi layo ban tap aka state la jong kitores kilong la ka jong ka segment ma uba kambet kambiang ulit sa he'll go for touch lane who want that luxury experience ulit touch budget travelers kilai hakim hotel tekidan ki middle class ki kwa ban sa ha pem kini ki instay ki tang ha kata ngala ban ka bekam dan jing thot iro yangi ngai baka acknowledge tot ya baro homestays owners lane ki instay lane kiwai ki bentaro recently ngadang show receive kawai ka award ma katin ka gold award jam to sustainable Indian tourism New York ka orange instay ma to ka kwa tekan ka ni kawai ka pani ba ka government hi ka acknowledge lot ya baro ka try ban promote lo ya baro